태양이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트.
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Just meet me
Just meet me at the Just meet me at
God, we thank you for this day. Thank you for this big celebration in the life of Riz Zoe Ambrel Santiago Maniquis.
I'll tell the world, I'll sing the song. It's a better place since you came along.
We thank you, God, sa mga parents nila na narito ngayon to honor you, to glorify your name sa pamagitan po ng pagdededicate nila ng kanilang anak na si Zoe.
You're my favorite thing. Oh, the love that you bring. Well, it feels like I've opened my eyes again, and the colors are golden and bright again. There's a song in my heart, I feel like I belong.
Napakahalaga na maintindihan po muna nating lahat, maging ang mga parents na narito ngayon kung bakit dapat ihandog, i-dedicate ang bata. Ang ibig sabihin po nito ay fully committed. Ito po ay devoted to a particular service or purpose. Ito rin po yung pagpayag ng mga magulang ng kanilang anak ay ihandog, italaga, at ipagkatiwala sa Diyos.
You're my favorite thing. Oh, the happiness you bring. Well, it feels like
Tayong mga magulang ang mag-guide sa kanila upang ang mga batang ito ay makalapit sa ating Panginoon. Mahalaga sila sa pangingin ng Panginoon at mahal na mahal sila ng Diyos. At actually, lahat ng batang maliliit, meron silang bahagi sa kaharian ng Diyos.
came along.
Sobrang saya namin ng daddy nang dumating si kuya, pero mas masaya pa pala nung dumating ka. Lagi niyong tatandaan, dalawa, na lahat gagawin namin para lumaki kayong maayos at mabigay ang mga pangangailangan niyo.
Experience it all. Experience the feeling. See it all.
Zoe, happy birthday. Bilis ng panahon, isang taong ka na. Lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal ka namin. At ang kuya mo, sana magmahalan kayong dalawa. Huwag kayong mag-aaway.
It all begins right now. It's strong. I can see a world I've never known, and now I'm flying high into the sky.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now.
Zoe, lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos at sana huwag kang magkakasakit, magkaroon ka ng hilig sa pag-aaral at maging masunuring anak.
Happy birthday, Zoe. Sana lumaki kang maging malusog, malakas at mabuting bata. Alam namin na mahal ka ng mga magulang mo, Zoe. We love you, kami ng Daddy. Thank you.
It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now.
Wala kaming ibang hiling kung hindi ang kabutihan at kasiyahan nyo. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging malambing mong bata. Happy birthday, baby. Love you!
Come fly away, come fly with me. Come fly away, come fly with me. Come fly away, come fly away. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen.